This is how you make a perfect corn in the microwave. I cut the excess husk off and the stem. I cut off a little piece of it there. I have a microwave safe dish. I cut the ends off so it fits perfectly on there. And it'll go in the microwave for about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes depending on your microwave power. There it is. 5 minutes. It's out of the microwave now. I have my salt and butter right here. Now you cut the end off with a sharp knife, just like that. You gotta be careful, it's gonna be super hot. But it cuts real easy, like that. I mean, this is a sharp knife, but any kind of probably a little more. Okay. Now, again, be careful, it's super hot. It just slides right out now. Slides right out of the end. Throw this stuff out. Butter. And salt. And see how easy this stuff came off? And super good.